To other news now, a recycling facility based in St. Andrew was destroyed by fire today. We have more in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
Smoke blankets the sky above a section of the corporate area on Tuesday. The thick plumes could be seen from miles away. A recycling facility on Lyndhurst Road, St. Andrew, was on fire. Alarmed residents rushed to the scene, as did multiple fire units.
There was a need for additional assistance, which they called for. Units came from Halfway Tree, Trenchtown, Rallington Town, as well as York Park. Well, it was a challenge, but I must say that we would have received some assistance from private water carriers.
The mission was to save as much as they could, but that was never going to be easy. The building was stacked with plastic bottles, paper and boxes. Add to that the dry, hot conditions in the capital, and this fire had all the ingredients to destroy. And destroy it did. The dancing flames inside the facility quickly consumed the plastics and paper, and turned to the structure next. Within minutes, whatever flammable materials formed part of the building were gone. Sections of the structure soon started to cave. The mission of firefighters and helpful residents quickly switched to saving neighboring properties from the fanning flames. Soon, a small house was touched by the fire. It was too much for this resident. She was brought to tears.
And so some of my neighbors came in and trying to take out some of the things, some calling the fire brigade also. And I must say I'm really thankful and grateful for what they have done today, because I know my house could have lost. And if it wasn't for my next door neighbor, to be frank with you, I would have lost everything today. I'm just thankful. My children is alive and well. Who could it be but God?
Just in case, other neighbors began removing valuables from their homes. An older resident from one of the neighboring properties had to be rushed for medical care due to smoke inhalation. In the end, thankfully, no lives were lost. The losses to property, though, are likely to run into the millions. However, up to news time, no official estimate was available, nor has the cause of the fire been determined. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.